Welcome to Carl's Comic Cards and Collectibles. What's going on, guys? Today we got a Kakawow Phantom Disney Marvel trading cards. Got this set just because I have some of those awesome Kakawow Aura Marvel cards coming in and just couldn't wait, so I wanted to check these out. And this is a 72 card base set based off the Marvel Cinematic Universe. It's with all the live action cinematic movies and Avengers movies and Spider-Man movies and whatnot. And yeah, just wanted to see what was in here. They got the silver refractors, got maybe about 3 of those in a box. Got 1 die cut per box. They got a numbered Disney 100 fireworks card in here. That's numbered to 100. And they got a Chinese pattern that's numbered to 45, and a green that's numbered to 20, and a black 1 of 1. And they also have a white copy of each card that is also a 1 of 1 that is not serialized 1 of 1, which is kind of weird, but hey, maybe we'll get one of those non-serialized 1 of 1 cards. And I'll say it's a 1 of 1. I don't care if it doesn't say it's a 1 of 1. So let's check out these movie cards. Oh, these are kind of rough here. Oh, all right. This is, wow. Okay, we got the good old redemption card here. And we got Okoye, Zuri. We got, oh, nice hit right here. Red Loki. That's kind of cool, Loki. Let's check that out here. It is numbered to 75. That is awesome. Loki, numbered to 75. Let's put him out there on the red parallel. Sweet. And we got Jane Foster, Korg. Back to Okoye. Wow. A little bit of Wakanda and shoot. Dang. I'm drawing a blank here. Thor. Where the hell is Thor from? Here we go. Caecilius. I have no idea. Eric Killmonger. We got a Disney 100 of Avengers Endgame. Sweet. Looks like maybe it might be Tony Stark's little funeral he had there. We'll put that out there. Wait a minute. Okay. I thought maybe we had a double in one pack. We got Black Widow and Bucky Barnes there. Next pack here. Let's see. I think we'd be all right here. That didn't work very well, did it? Yeah, I'll have to try to cut these open. There we go. Some thick packaging on them packs here. Okay, we got the ancient one. Another Okoye. We got a little postage here. Avengers. Looks like Age of Ultron. Sweet. Age of Ultron. Put that up there. We got Iron Man 6. Iron Man Mark L. And back to the ancient one. Let's see here. So there's, what do we got? 10 packs, 5 cards per pack. Let's see what's in this next pack here. We got Iron Man. What is that, like 50 something, maybe? Not, oh, Star-Lord. Looks like we got a silver refractor here, or maybe, oh, who's that? Is that Loki? That's Thor. Looks like Loki. That's pretty awesome. All right. War Machine. And there's Thor. All right. Okay, we got, is that 4 packs left? Maybe 5 packs left. Oh, we got a Spider-Man, Iron Spider. Proxima Midnight. And we got Yondu on the die cut too. Nice. Okay, cool. Yondu on the die cut. Try to make some room for Yondu up there. Cool. And we got the Destroyer and the Grand Master. Awesome. That's cool. All right, next pack here. The Grand Master. Oh, Jeff Goldblum. A great actor. Here we go. Next pack. Drax. We got Ant-Man. Oh, we got Korg on a refractor here. Make sure it's not numbered. Malekith. And we got Bucky Barnes. Back to Drax. Next pack here. Okay. We got the Black Panther, Captain Marvel, and a refractor of Bucky Barnes, and Falcon. Oh, and Hawkeye. Cool. All right, we got 3 packs left here. Okay, Groot, baby Groot. Outriders. Ooh, we got a purple Corvus Glaive. Ooh, he's looking pretty mean there. And Hulk. But this is, I think they have 1 hero and 1 villain in each box, so that's kind of cool. We got Hulk here and the Winter Soldier. All right, back to the Groot. Back to Groot. Next pack here. Let's see, what do we got in this next pack? Okay, we got Ebony Maw, Gamora, and we got Wanda Maximoff on that refractor, silver refractor, and Iron Patriot. All right, and Loki. Sweet. All right, last pack here. Last pack. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button. Let's see what we got in this last pack here. We got Adolescent Groot, Mantis. Oh, we got something here on a red. That's the Hero Ant-Man insert. That's kind of cool. We put Ant-Man out there. And Jane Foster. And Korg. So yeah, these cards weren't too bad. They're just couldn't wait for those Kakawow auras to come in. I thought I'd check these out, and pretty cool. We got a numbered Loki here. We got a die cut Yondu. Another silver refractor of Loki here, and the other villain insert to go with that hero insert, Corvus Glaive. And we also got the Wanda Maximoff refractor. And a Bucky Barnes refractor. So not too bad. Pretty cool if you like those live action actor, I call them picture cards, but yeah, they're pretty cool. I like the Kakawow inserts. The foil on them is pretty cool. The shine and stuff, different colors. But yeah, if you like this content, don't forget to like and subscribe. And always, keep collecting.